Hi guys, it's Serena. I'm back with another MUKBANG. Taco Bell. Trying the new chicken rolled chicken tacos. This is it. It's quesarito. A bunch of eggs. Natural cheese sauce for the chicken tacos. And a bunch of mild sauce. And they ranch spelled. So my life. So I should take a thumbnail. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll go to my mom. A chicken. Come on the lights. This is quesarito, extra jalapeno sauce, extra sour cream like STEPH, PAPAS, I don't know. Look at that. Oh my god. Why do I never come here? Hold on. I have a Coke Zero because regular Coke is like too bubbly for me. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so spicy. I'm gonna try one of the rolls in this nacho cheese sauce. Let's see if this is as good as everybody says. I almost dropped my quesarito. Oh my god, see all the ranch like spilled because it like opened in the bag. I don't know. That's this literally a tablespoon of ranch. I like the ranch more than the cheese. Quesarito, rice, beef, cheese. So Papa's, she's like, she doesn't get this anymore because she said sometimes it's like not as packed. So like right now, it's not as packed. But, you know, it's still good. Ariana Grande released her music video, Thank You Next. I loved it, even though like people were more focused on the video than the actual song. That probably took a lot of time and moolah to do. Oh my god. See, that's all the ranch from the sauce thing. I'm about to say to dip it off this. Oh no. Alright, she left. Oh my god, that crunch. Iconic. I'm gonna try the cinnamon delights. You know they're gonna be bomb. I already know for a fact. Oh my god. Cinnamon delights. Ready? Ranch? I don't know what that is. Another one. I wonder when Shane Dawson's gonna upload another video. Look. I can't believe Jake and Erica broke up. Like, I thought they were gonna get married. They have a song together. And I think he like cheated on her, which is not surprised. Like, he's like that. Her new song Karma, I didn't like that song, but then she has a new song called Girls Night. I actually like that song, but the Karma song, I wasn't a big fan of that. Oh my god. Should I dip? Oh my god, they give me mild, I totally forgot, they give me mild sauce. Your might be, oh, forever. No, they give me like 20. Just the beginning. Okay, these are boring. Usually they're like funny. Okay. I'm gonna put some on the quesarito. It doesn't even need it. Wow, it's so spicy. When school's over, December 20th, I will eat healthier. But as right now, school stresses me out. School. Oh my god. Alright, the ranch. And alright, so oh my god. These just taste like there's plain chicken, plain breaded. There's nothing in it. JK, I think there's cheese in it. They made me wait like literally 8 minutes for this. But like I was holding up the whole line. I felt so bad. I'm like, I'll park myself. Like, I don't know why they didn't park me. I literally got 3 things. Honestly, I think the chicken tacos are my favorite. They had the nacho fries. Like, I don't know if they had it when I went. I'm like full. I don't even want anymore. Last bite. Amazing. Alright, I think I'm tapping out. I'm so full. I'm really dropping everything and I don't know why. What else can we talk about? Mackenzie Marie is on her fitness journey. I really want to do that. Let me know if you guys want me to make that a video, fitness journey. Because I want to. It's just really hard. And I don't know if anybody will watch it. But go watch Mackenzie Marie's. Sorry. Because she did it before and she looked bomb. She looks bomb now. But she wants to do it again. All power to you, sweetie. She's so funny. Oh my god. I got ranch. I don't even know. Should I end it off with a cinnamon delight? Or another mild sauce? Tag your it. Tag You're it. The Melly Martinez song. I blank take you. Oh, you entered the name. Oh, Serena. Obviously. I think you're pretty. Oh, how cute. Alright, where's the cinnamon delights? Okay. I have 2 more left. Alright, and I have 1 more. And I'm tapping out because I'm so full. Okay, ready? Yummy. I love STEPH PAPAS. Girl, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, I love you. You inspire me. Should I have 1 more? No, save it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see. And until next time, bye.